In this video, I'm going to show you how to book a round-trip Uber ride in the Uber app. First things first, pull up Uber, of course. So let's say I want to go from Culture Brewing Company in Manhattan Beach here in LA to Tower 12. First thing I'm going to do after I type in my addresses is then click the plus sign. Once I do, this is going to pop up. I'm going to go down to add stops and just type in the exact stop that I started at because I want to do a round-trip ride. So I'm going from Culture to Tower 12. And then I'm going to go to add a stop and click Culture Brewing Company again. So now it's going to look like this. As you can see, Culture, then Tower 12, then we're going back to Culture. Once I do, I go to order it, and it's that simple. Now I know an unbelievably quick video, but I hate YouTubers that ramble on and waste your time. That's how easy it is. There isn't really an exact feature in the Uber app to click round trip, but really all you're doing is doing a multi-stop Uber ride where your starting location and your end location are technically the same. So all you're really doing is going from one location to another, adding a stop, but that next stop or that last stop is actually going to be originally where you started.